Hello, lovers of crystals and positive energy. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of carnelian, a gemstone known for its vibrant colors and powerful healing properties. Let's explore how this stone can transform your life, bringing protection, energy, and creativity. Stay with us until the end to discover all the ways to use this wonder of nature and the benefits it can provide. Meaning and properties of carnelian. Carnelian is a variety of chalcedony, a form of microcrystalline quartz. Known as flesh agate or sarder, this stone presents colors that vary from orange to red, symbolizing vitality, courage, and passion. Throughout history, carnelian has been valued by many cultures. The ancient Egyptians, for example, used it as a symbol of rebirth and protection, while the Greeks and Romans used it as a good luck charm. In the esoteric tradition, carnelian is associated with the fire element and the sacral chakra, which makes it a powerful stone for stimulating vital energy, sexuality, and creativity. It helps balance emotions, dispel negativity, and increase motivation and focus. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use crystals in your life, don't forget to check out our complete guide to crystals here on the channel. Benefits of carnelian. Carnelian is known for providing a series of physical and emotional benefits that can positively influence the lives of those who use it. Firstly, this stone is highly valued for its ability to stimulate creativity and motivation. When working with carnelian, many report feeling a significant increase in inspiration and willingness to start new projects or face challenges. This makes it an ideal stone for artists, writers, and anyone who needs a creative boost in their daily activities. Furthermore, carnelian is famous for its ability to increase physical and mental energy. It acts as a natural revitalizer, helping to combat fatigue and exhaustion. This energizing effect not only improves physical endurance, but also contributes to a more alert and focused mind, which is essential for productivity and overall well-being. Another notable benefit of carnelian is its power to help overcome fear and insecurity. By promoting a sense of courage and self-confidence, this stone helps people face difficult situations with more determination and less hesitation. This can be particularly helpful in times of transition or change, when uncertainty can cause anxiety and stall progress. Carnelian is also known for attracting prosperity and success. Many people believe that it has the ability to open doors to new opportunities and bring luck in business and financial endeavors. When using carnelian, it is common to feel a wave of positivity that attracts favorable experiences and people, creating an environment conducive to growth and achieving goals. In the field of communication and personal expression, carnelian plays a crucial role. It helps to release blocks that can impede the free expression of thoughts and feelings. This is particularly useful in situations where it is necessary to speak in public or express ideas clearly and assertively. The stone can, therefore, be a powerful ally to improve communication and strengthen interpersonal relationships. Finally, carnelian is effective in calming anger and reducing stress. Its gentle, balanced energy helps dispel negative emotions such as irritation and frustration, promoting a sense of inner peace. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking for emotional balance and a greater ability to deal with the challenges of everyday life in a calm and controlled way. For fans of crystals, carnelian is a true gift from nature, capable of bringing vibrant and positive energy to everyday life. And if you are interested in purchasing your own carnelian, check out the special discount coupon that we left in the comments. Characteristics and use of carnelian. Carnelian is a translucent to opaque stone, with a hardness of 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale, which makes it very resistant. It is widely found in various parts of the world, including India, Brazil, Uruguay, Madagascar, and the United States. Its vibrant beauty makes it a popular choice for jewelry such as rings, pendants, earrings, and bracelets, as well as being used in sculptures and amulets. In the field of crystal therapy, carnelian is recognized for its healing properties, being used to improve blood circulation, increase energy, and promote detoxification of the body. It is also useful for relieving emotional problems such as depression and anxiety, helping to stabilize emotions and promote feelings of well-being and joy. Carnelian and the signs of the zodiac. Carnelian resonates with different signs of the zodiac, bringing unique benefits to each of them. Libra balances emotions and favors diplomacy. Scorpion increases passion and determination. Sagittarius stimulates adventure and optimism. Capricorn attracts success and stability. Aquarium promotes creativity and independence. Fish, protects against negative energies and promotes forgiveness. How to use carnelian. To make the most of the benefits of carnelian, you can. Cleaning and energizing. Before using, clean the carnelian with running water and coarse salt. Leave it in sunlight for a few hours to energize it. Personal use. Use the stone as jewelry, as a pendant, ring or bracelet, to keep its energy close. Environments. Place carnelian in your work or home environment to attract positive energy. Meditation. During meditation, hold the stone in your hands or place it near the sacral chakra to unblock emotions and increase vital energy. Intention. Set a clear intention when using carnelian to amplify its effects. Don't forget to clean and energize your carnelian regularly to keep it in top shape. Carnelian is a powerful and versatile stone that can bring countless benefits to your life. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive notifications of new content. And remember, in the pinned comment, we left a special discount coupon for you to acquire your carnelian. Also take the opportunity to explore our complete guide to crystals here on the channel. See you in the next video, guys. Lots of light and good energy for you.